Welcome back, guys. It's been a while. So today we are going back to basics. So even if you are a total beginner and you have no experience and you have never built any web pages, today I will show you how, by using Google Sites in a matter of minutes, you can build your website absolutely free, including free lifetime hosting. By the end of this video, I will also give you some extra bonus free Google Site templates you can use to get started. So let's dive in. The only thing you need to get started with Google Sites is Google account. So make sure you are logged into your Google account, and then you can head to sites.google.com/new, or you can also come to your Google Drive, click on new, then click on more, and scroll down. You will see Google Sites from here as well. Now Google Sites will first show you some of the templates available here, including some of the personal ones you can use for your portfolio or for your simple family update. Some of the templates you can use for work purposes, such as displaying some events, setting up a health centers or a project, and then also some for the small business or any kind of a service you are looking to display. You can start by using some of these templates, and there are also more templates for education. So there are not a lot, but there is something to get started, and you can always have option to build your site from scratch. As I said before, by the end of this video I will show you the site where you can get much more templates done for Google Sites absolutely free. So let's dive in, and for the purpose of this video we're gonna start building our site from scratch. So let's click on a blank site. So your overall look of your site and your pages will depend on the theme you have selected. So if you come on a sidebar and click on a theme right here, you will see some of the themes offered by Google, and then you can also set up your custom theme. So I have done another video tutorial about how to set up the custom themes, but as I said, today's video is for beginners. So let's keep it simple and just select one of the themes offered by Google. So let's go and select, for example, this theme right here. Then from here you can also select the font style. Let's go for the bold one, and then colors. Now the colors I will show you just in a minute how they will reflect on your site. So let's select the red one. So let's come back on the insert tab, and from here you can then start adding elements to your site. So you have a text box, you have images, you can embed by URL or by code, and you can access your Google Drive and embed files from your drive directly to your site. Then if we scroll down more further, you will see some content blocks. So for example, if we click on this one, it will give you then the placeholder for the image and the text. So as I said previously, the theme colors will then come into place. So you can see that the red one is showing here on our title. Okay, so to change the text, you can simply type or copy paste. Now to upload the image, if you click on this plus icon, you can upload your image from your computer. You can select images from your drive or from Google Search. You can also embed YouTube and other files from your drive. So let's just click on upload and select one image from our computer. Now when it comes to styling your images and your texts, if you click on the element, you have more options now. You can crop this image, you can uncrop it, you can also link it to one of your pages on your site or external URLs. And if you duplicate, you will get another section just like that, and you can use duplicate for the entire section across the page or single elements such as text or images. Now to style the text again, you have this menu. You can change the fonts, font sizes, colors, link some parts of the text, and also align them or use some of the lists. And you have more options here, such as aligning again, spacing, and you can also just clear all your formatting and start afresh. Speaking of starting afresh, so everything that you have done will be automatically saved on your Google Drive. And if ever you want to revert back to your previous version of your site, you can come up right here on this menu, click on the version history, and then you will see all the versions of your site, and then you can restore them back to the previous version. That's how you can play around with the images and the text. To change the position of any of the sections, you can use these handles, and then you can drag and position your text and your images somewhere else on the page. And you can also use the handles around the element to change its position. So as I said here, you have crop and uncrop. So if you crop, you can then move your image and crop it in a different way. Click on the tick box once you have done it. Or if you have made some uncropping changes and you just want to restore it back to the full size, you click on uncrop. To change the entire background of this section, if you come on a sidebar menu right here, click on section colors, and you will have 3 styles based on the theme you have just selected. So let's click on style number 3 and it will change the theme, and then again you can go and change your font and color of your text if you think now is a bit too dark and it doesn't really look nice anymore, or you can just revert it back again to another color combination. So if there's any colors that are missing or you just want custom background, you can also upload it image. To add some more pages on your site, if you come on a sidebar, click on the pages, and then from this icon right here you can add new page, you can add new link, you can fully embed page if you have some custom HTML codes, and you can also add new menu section. So let's click on the new menu section and let's call it as menu 1. And then we would like to add some sub pages for this menu and call it sub 1. And then again, let's come back here and add one more page just to show you what is the difference. So now you can see you have home, the first page that we started designing. You have menu 1 and you have page 1. So menu 1 is not link itself. So if you want to have any menu without page displaying any content on it, just to have content on the sub pages, you would then use the menu option from here. And if you want page itself to have a link and be clickable, then you would use a page function. You can also add a new link by clicking it here and click on new link, and then you can link external link or one of your pages up on the menu. If you would like to hide any of these pages from your menu, you can come on this selection right here and click hide from navigation. It won't show there anymore. If you want to change the home page, you can also come here and click on it as home. You can then set it as a home page. You can also make duplicates, and on the properties section here you can add a custom path for your URL for the particular page. Now once you have set up your pages, you can come on the settings, and then on navigation you are able to set the mode, whether you want to show your navigation on the top of your page or on a side like this, and also set up the colors black, white, or keep it transparent. From the settings tab right here, you can also add logos and your favicon for your site. You can add Google Analytics to track your site performance, and also set up custom domains, and I have done separate video tutorials on it. You can also set up announcement banner right here. Okay, so to show the banner, let's click on this. This will be the banner color, and then you can add your message and the button label, and also insert the link where you would like that button to go. So let's just add some details here. You also have options to choose whether you want to show your banner on across entire site or only on the home page. So if we click and we have done all the details, simply click and close this, and you will see your banner with the button that is linked to your page or external link right here. To preview your design and your pages, you can come on this preview tab, and you will see how your website will then look on the mobile phone, how it will look on the tablet, and also on a large screens, and Google Sites will be fully responsive and will look on all sorts of screen sizes. Now to exit this, you can simply click on exit preview. So all the changes you have done will be automatically saved on your Google Drive. Now for your site to become live, you would need to publish it. So let's click on publish. You need to give your site a name. That will be your site's default URL. So it will be sites.google.com/ and then your site name. And as I said, you can set up custom domain. Now click on the publish. Now before anybody can actually see your site live, even if they have the URL link, you need to come on the permissions here, click on the share. From here you can invite more people to share their site with you, but the thing that you need to make sure is here that your published site is public. So if your site remains restricted, that anyone with the link will not be able to see the site live online anyway. So let's click and leave it as public, and then from here you can also copy your published site link and share it across with your audience. So let me show you one example here. This is one of the blog sites in a beauty niche. that we have done and designed with Google Sites. Okay, as you can see, you can just play around with all the elements available with the images, colors, themes, styles, and so on to find your own unique look and design your site. So all these elements, as you just saw, are easily editable by clicking and dropping using Google Sites Website Builder. Now, if you feel like you are too much in a rush or this still sounds a bit complicated, if you come to yourwebsitetips.com, you can then browse all the templates we have designed, and there are many more to come. Some of them are free, some of them are premium. They are available and suitable for all sorts of niches, businesses, services, personal use. Anything you need can be covered with Google Sites. So have a look if anything here suits your needs, and we can free up some of your time, and you can just click and order one of our templates to get started and build your website. I hope you found this video helpful. It was really a quick rundown of what is Google Sites and what features you can use there to start building your website. It's a simple drag and drop editor. It includes free lifetime hosting, free SSL certificate, and it's part of the Google Workspace, so it will seamlessly integrate with all other Google products. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.